Hey guys, John here with Justice Ground Solutions Incorporated. Here's a little slideshow of a project that we completed back in the spring with some good friends of ours, another excavation contractor, of a basement excavation in Floyd County in Prestonsburg, Kentucky. The size of the hole was 130 feet long by 100 feet wide with a total depth of 21 feet. All the material was dug out to solid rock to excavate all the trees and rocks and even some pieces of heavy equipment that we found buried in the ground, as this was an old reclaimed strip mine. All the material was brought back in 6-inch to foot lifts and rolled and compacted to 98% compaction. We had to install a dewatering system in this basement to get rid of all the groundwater that was coming in. As you can see, massive project. I'd have to look back and see exactly how many thousands of cubic yards was excavated and brought back. Here in this picture is actually a set of rails and pads from a D10 cat dozer we found buried. Here you can see total excavation down to solid bedrock with a total depth of 21 feet. This is just kind of a reference, a size reference to the hole that you can see. Yeah, this was quite a large and difficult project. Here you can see the roller in the hole, starting to do some lifts, bringing this back up to finished grade. This is actually one of the first jobs that I got to do with my 160 link belt. This is before it even had the hydraulic coupler on it with buckets and everything. But yeah, you can see kind of our dewatering system over in the hole. Here is a pile of timber that we found buried in the hole. This is kind of why we had to do the excavation, just to remove all the unwanted things that you don't want underneath the house, decaying and rotting and causing foundation issues. And part of the reason we went so wide on this excavation, and you'll see that in some of the upcoming pictures, is some of the house was built extending out past the limits of the basement. So we wanted to make sure everything was on solid compacted ground. Here's a finished picture of the project of exactly how it turned out when we left, so the basement contractor will be ready to come in and pour the basement. And here's a picture of the basement with the walls and the floor being poured. As you can get the extent of how large this hole was that we dug. The landowner was kind enough to come out and take some drone pictures of us while we were excavating the hole, and I thought I'd include these in the end. So hope you guys liked it. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more. Thank you.